Hello, welcome to Cooking Fun with Anshika. Let's start cooking. Hi guys, so how are we doing? My side, I have to say January has been like super busy, but busy is good, I think. So yeah, it's been alright. Today's recipe, today I've got an amazing dressing recipe for you. We will be making some fresh basil pesto. It's a dressing I just love because it goes so well, of course, in a pasta, but it goes very well on a salads with tofu, some boiled potatoes, anything, yeah. And yes, my toddler also loves it, so a bonus for everyone who has kids, yeah. Let's go and quickly look into the ingredients and make some fresh, amazing vegan basil pesto. So to make fresh basil pesto, of course we need basil. I have taken about 200 grams of basil leaf, just washed the leaves, took the stalk off, and I'm adding all the leaves to my blender. Next goes in 1/3 cup of pine nuts, very important. And now we add 1/4 cup of cashews. In goes 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a clove of garlic, and some fresh lemon juice. Just squeeze about half a lime to a lime. Based upon the tanginess you prefer in your pesto, I am squeezing about half a lime here. And last, we add about half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now we are going to blend this mixture, and here I am showing the end result after blending it in my NutriBullet, and look at that, it's such a lovely green fresh vegan pesto, and I have to tell you, try this, it is so yum. It goes so perfect, of course, in pasta, but you can use it as a dressing in your salads or in your sandwiches, or even pesto potatoes. Yes, do try them, it's super yum. So guys, I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Do give it a try, it comes out very yum. So try it and leave your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.